I'm like blown away that you're going and talking to owners. Like I do consulting calls all the time and I'm talking to people all the time, right? Who I'm like, you gotta, especially right now when the industry is just so tight, there's just not a lot of inventory on the market. I'm like, you gotta do the things that other people aren't willing to do. And a lot of times that means getting off your butt and going to try to talk to people and networking and all that stuff. But you're like young and going out there and doing that. What was that experience like?
Oh my gosh, it was so nerve wracking, and um, I don't, I don't know where I got the confidence from, but I got it and I snatched it up and I held onto it tight to go and talk to these sellers. But I will say that it did get really discouraging because like I said, they didn't take me seriously, and I mean, I don't blame them. I was 20, whatever. I think I was just 20 or 21, and I was coming to them asking not great questions. I got lots of no's, lots of people hung up on me. Lots of people were like, if you're not offering $1 million, then I don't want to talk. And straight boop boop boop, hang up in my
Mm.
face. So I mean, I don't blame the people that are scared to do it because it is
Yeah.
scary, but you got to make some shape.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you're dead on. It is scary and discouraging, like when you're getting that kind of response over and over and over. So what kept you going? I think a lot of people hit that wall there and they're like, I'm just people are laughing at me, like they're hanging up on me. Like what like maybe this is not the thing. Maybe I'll go try to do something else and go and get that job or, whatever. Why not you? How come that didn't happen for you?
Well, one, because I'm hard headed and I'm also diligent. And I will say that I don't give up on things until I really see that there is no way that I could win.